after all these years. Finally, we have them all.
Yeah, you know the drill. So we all know the tragic failure that was the Zune, and if you don't know its backstory, then educate yourself, or not. I mean, you don't have to. But this is going to be more the experience of trying to set this thing up and use it. And yes, of course I got it in dog poo brown and mush peas green, the only colour that you can truly get, and also the only one that I could get cheapest. But that's besides the point.
It really is the only book you need on samurai culture.
That I could find for under 15 quid.
Before we start, just have a read of what it says on the bottom here. Includes 30GB Zune digital media player, earphones. This doesn't actually have earphones, but the ones with earphones were like £100 more than this, and that's not worth it. Sync cable, manuals, and disc. I'm gonna try and set that up on 7. I know it doesn't work on 10, but it might work with 7. And if all else fails, I've got the budget EPC over here, which is just a Lenovo ThinkPad that I have nothing better to do with other than install XP on it. Actually, it also has Windows 8 on it, but because Windows XP doesn't like dual booting whenever I do it, at least. Yeah. There it is. Welcome to the social. Yeah, sure thing. Ooh, that's a good start already. There it is. What a beautiful failure. Got the cable, and we got the... Oh, it still got the nice... Still got the egg bag for the earphones, even though it didn't have them. Nice. I didn't realise. I'll get around to this in a second. First, let's have a look in here. Sustainable packing material. Did Pitney Bowes put that in there? Yeah, this came with the global shipping program. I'm sorry. Free cardboard. Oh well, let's see what's going on here. I assume that's supposed to store things? X12-73901-01, catchy. Even that joke doesn't work because that's not the name. Oh, it opens like an old iPod box. Oh, that's the disc. Oh, beautiful. Product guide. Jargon time. Read this guide for important safety and health information. The terms with limited warranty that cover the Zune device. What about the start? Not even start guide, just start. Fair enough, that's what it says on the tin. Hold switch, headphone jack, okay, control pad, back, play, pause, connect, port, nice. Actually, this is nice. Yeah, I understand what it's telling me. Load the startup software. When prompted by the software, connect and charge Zune. Full charge can take up to 3 hours. Sure. Sync your music, video, and pictures. Something tells me it's not going to be that simple. Box falling off the table. I'd also just like to point out that I've gone really up market since the last videos. Like, this... Yeah. Like, professionalism. Nothing left to it but to do it. There's that a very original connector. That looks borderline. In fact, you know what? Nah. It's almost cross-compatible. Perfectly satisfactory cable. Take the tap, but I'm aware that it's too short, so I don't rip it. Is it already ripped? A little bit. It's chunky. Nice. To quote the 2009 Sky Broadband Setup CD, let's get some power into this thing. Nice long cable as well. Right, first of all, I'm just going to plug this into the wall, just to get some power into it. Yes. Can I use it while it's charging? Oh! Zune! We got a line. Okay. Oh! Yes! It's a nice D-pad. Does it have... Oh, it's got treasures on it! It's got a bunch of stuff on it. This is like the most inefficient way to pirate music. It's got that Windows sample music on there. Have I put my headphones in? I don't know the words to this song, but Right, okay, thank you. Nickelback. Never cease to entertain. Also, I noticed, this has got films on. This has 2/3 of the Matrix franchise on here. What about pictures? We got a cat! Yes! Memes? It's just some pictures from whoever owned this. We got a picture of a hoodie. Because why not? I guess. Right, let's plug this in and see what happens. This computer now has 18 USB ports, by the way. I don't know why, but I need that many for some reason. Hey! They're loading 100%. Okay, I've never seen it do that before. I'm not saying that's a Zune specific thing, I've just never seen it specifically. Zune. So it doesn't quite have the same ring as Craig, but sure. I'm gonna watch The Matrix. It's okay, we bought this on iTunes. I have a license to watch this. Hey! To get going, install the latest Zune software. Please make sure your internet connection is active and all programs are closed. Okay. Oh boy, here come those not very good looking pictures. It's downloading. It's still hosted. Oh, yep, 2000. There it is. Okay, progress. What's this? An info set of the help improve experience. I mean, not for care anyway, but you know, what's this? Okay. Install, yeah. Software installation complete. Okay, there it is. Get out the way, innocent civilians. Do I have to plug it in? Hey! Oh. Zune encounters a critical error while starting and needs to close. Well, that's just a great start, isn't it? Let's try that again. Zune, hello? Oh, there it is. It's working. Associate file types. None. Please. Zune playlist file, you can have that. Well, I guess I'll just sit here and see if it does anything. Maybe I have to offer to help. Maybe that's a cry for help. And it's like, please help us improve the Zune. Nobody oh! Tell Zune 3 of your favourite artists. You'll have easy access to smart DJ mixes based on these artists in Quick Play, or use these artists for that. What? Yeah, this is... Oh. Yes. What a random choice for the things to put on the front. Sign in. I wonder if this will work. Do I need a Zune account or will this work with a Microsoft account? Windows Live ID. This should work, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. This is taking its time. Come on, access the server. Make sure you connect to the internet and not just to the Zune service. Well, that makes sense. Well, it's adding media. Nice. Add my song library, I guess. Click to see your sync status. Play rip. Drag items to playlist. Collection. Okay. Of course, Avril Lavigne's near the top. This is from the 2000s without it. Marketplace. Yeah, right. Sure. Yeah. To credit where it's due, they may have not kept the same DRM between the old stuff and the Zune, but at least they just used a Microsoft account. Sign in to manage your Zune friends. Is that ready for the squirting feature? Name, Zune. Relationship, guest. Start sync, change sync relationship. So, can I... Oh, this is everything on it. You see. Oh, it's got the Vista sample music on it as well. Oh, nice, that's the backgrounds thing. Funny thing is, the Zune Marketplace was actually added to Windows Phone at one point. I'm sure I saw an advert, so at least, you know, they... Even if they completely changed the DRM, at least at some point they realised they had stuff that they could reuse. I think it thinks it's 5:47 AM, not sure why, but sure, whatever. Yeah, let's just try the radio. Yeah, well, it works. But it's better than the radio on the cursed Lavara. Connect now. Let's try and type with this. Yes, it's not too bad. It's better than trying to type with a click wheel, I guess. Can't connect. Alright, yeah, shut up. Games. I wonder if these work. That was fun. Sponsored by Lips. Okay. Space Battle. I wonder what this one will be. Sponsored by Lips again. Sudoku. Okay. More games I should probably know how to play but don't. Zoom? Was whoever owned this partway through a game or something? Ah, how do I get out of here? Oh, by pressing the back button. Funny that. Oh, this one's sideways. Is this gambling? Is that what this is? Well, there you go. That's connected is what that is. Can I eject this? There we go. Well, so that's syncing. There you go. What more can I really say? Yeah. Don't know where to go with this series now. I've done everything. I've done pods, I've done Craigs, I've done there's nothing left. Yeah, we'll worry about that when we come to it. Bye!